AI is taking over jobs, but not these. These careers are future-proof, and number one is impossible to replace.
Number 20, teacher. AI can't replace real human connections.
Number 19, nurse. Empathy and care can't be automated. Number 18, construction worker. Real-world skills AI struggles to match. Number 17, electrician. Complex hands-on work is hard to automate. Number 16, chef. Creativity and taste go beyond AI. Number 15, police officer. Real-time judgment can't be replaced. Number 14, my courage and instinct matter.
What you do with me?
Human emotions need human understanding. It's just so overwhelming sometimes. I understand. Let's explore that.
Number 12, mechanic. Real-world problem solving is key. Number 11, farmer. Feeding the world can't stop. Number 10, entrepreneur. New ideas come from humans.
Number 9, artist. True creativity is human.
Your Honor, this case demands critical thinking. Complex decisions require human judgment.
Number 7, doctor whose lives depend on human expertise. Number 6, psychologist. Deep human thinking can't be replaced. Number 5, skilled trades. Hands-on mastery is irreplaceable.
Number 4, soldiers of extreme environments need humans.
Number 3, CEO. Leadership can't be programmed. Colleagues, we must remember that true leadership cannot be programmed.
Number 2, scientist. Innovation drives the future. Number 1, human creativity. The one thing AI can never truly replace. Is your job safe from AI? Let's watch again.